Hello, we are Dalangin Johansen P. and Iscanio Kevin Jos S.
Today we will explain visual signaling of the single letters based on the International Code of Signals Annex 4.
What is the International Code of Signals? The International Code of Signals is a standardized system of flags and codes used for communication between ships, aircraft, and coastal authorities. Purpose: to communicate important safety and navigation messages between ships.
Why visual signaling when ships cannot use radio or voice communication? Visual signaling is very important for safety at sea. The International Code of Signals is used to communicate important messages between ships, especially when they cannot use radio or voice.
There are three common types of visual signals: signal flags, semaphore arms, and flashlights using Morse code.
Here are some pictures to show these methods.
Each letter has its own meaning. For example, A or Alpha means diver down, keep well clear. B or Bravo means carrying dangerous goods. C or Charlie means yes or affirmative.
These are very helpful when ships are near each other. A very important signal is N, November, and C, Charlie together, which means distress.
Ships use this to ask for urgent help. How to send a signal? To send a signal, choose the correct flag, semaphore, movement, or flashlight.
Make sure it is clearly visible to the other ship.
Now we will show a short demonstration.
Alpha, up diver down, keep clear. Bravo, dangerous goods.
In summary, visual signals help keep ships safe when they can't talk by radio.
Following international standards is very important for communication at sea.
We use the International Code of Signals and Annex 4 as our references and other sites that we found in the internet. Thank you.